Dharmashop's always been a values-driven company. I hadn't been to Nepal yet, so I didn't know the faces, and I didn't always know the names. So when I first came to Nepal, I started putting names and faces to the products. And even on this trip, going and seeing some of the artists' work has been enlightening for us, because it's not until you take a camera and put it in the face of everyone who's making things that you know if they're being treated the way you want them to be, if they're being paid as well as you want them to be. And it's really incredible and refreshing to see it with new eyes, because this is my 7th trip to Nepal. Seeing it through the eyes of people who've never been here before has been pretty powerful too. Making sure that we can tell the story of where goods come from, who's making them, so we can keep touch with the products and have a story to tell the customer that's real and authentic and fair.